Facebook here. Today I'm doing a video about an update. So first, we're not going to have Sammy in the band because we don't know how she sings, and I just don't think we should have her because it would ruin our name. And second, we're not doing the lamb thing anymore because we don't have enough subscribers, and it's really sad, and I don't like it at all. So if you want a lamb, then we gotta have subscribers, but I don't think that's gonna happen. No. I'm not gonna giving away rainbow lambs, nothing like that. No, not even rubber bands. So if you I'm sorry about this. We still need subscribers and likes, but like we won't do a lot of videos if we don't get a lot of subscribers. So yeah, please remember, any video that you see of us, if you loved it, give it a thumbs up. If you hated it, give it a thumbs up. So yeah, bye.